welcome. I'm Paul Giroux from MarineMax Newport, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough through one of our recent trades, a 2007 380 Sea Ray in very good condition. We'll step right aboard. Nice swim deck here, swim platform. We'll enter inside. You can see a very large seating area. Nice helm up forward. As we pan back around, I'll show you the full wraparound cockpit seating. All the cushions are in great shape. Nice table. Carpet liners down here are in very good shape. Boat is powered by twin 8.1 MerCruisers, 557 hours on each. We have Raymarine electronics. There is a refrigerator in the cockpit as well. And we'll take a walk down below. Once again, extremely clean. You can walk right up to the forward V berth, queen centerline berth. We'll start there. We have a full head on one side with a full separate shower stall on the other side of the boat, keeping everything nice and dry in the head compartment. Walking back this way to the galley, 2-burner stove, second and third refrigerator, very nice storage here. Back in the aft here, easy pull out L-shaped couch, converts to a large double bed with a TV. Have a nice control panel here for all your electronics and generator, as well as a slide out starboard couch here for extra sleeping. And again, plenty of storage, an extremely clean vessel. So if you'd like some more information on this, you can give us a call. My name is Paul Giroux from Newport, Rhode Island.